do this, what you need to do is open your browser, copy this link, and then go to your browser and paste it. Make sure you use this link. You will get a huge discount, and also you're not gonna get your VPS banned anytime. I've actually tested it and it's work. So go to Cloud VPS. Follow me as I do this, and then when you go to Cloud VPS, you can see there's a lot of prices there. You can choose anyone you want, but don't go for the $3 Cloud VPS. Go for like the $5 there. Choose the 5 and above, and then when you want to select you know select Ubuntu 24 and set your password. Add your Ubuntu password. Make sure it is something you can remember, and then click next. You can see what I'm doing here. You have to do the same. Make sure everything is set properly, and then click on next. And this is gonna last you for a very very long time, and it does not get red, and you know it doesn't get taken down. This is like your own personal host. It's not managed by anyone, it is only managed by you. All right, so click on next, and then we need to do some purchasing. That is the next page. Okay, you can see we're on the next page, so we'll click on order and pay. So I'll block the other path because of I would add my card detail. So what you will do here is you actually, when you are done paying, you would get your details sent to your email, and also you have to set up a contable email and then password, you know with the email that is sent to you. They are actually going to give you a default or password that you can log in with. Was done, they sent me when it was done loading, they sent me the detail and a new login detail for Contabo. So already I have account that I'm using. So I'm just doing all this for the video tutorial. So you can see here, so they sent me the detail. So I already have my own um, login. So you can just log into the old one and then reset your password, and then go to, after you're done resetting your password, on the upper dashboard you're going to see a login to the new Contabo dashboard. And yeah, there's the new dashboard. You're going to log in there. So let's get started. So since you already have the detail they sent to you. I mean, your IP address and the password you set yourself when you are about to purchase it. So you need the two. So what we do now is either we go to Putty, or you can use anything you want to log into this VPS. For me, I'm gonna use this and Tamios. So when you come here, you log in. I already did all this. You log in. If you can, if you are not a user, you sign up. It's still the same with your Gmail. When you sign up, you will see a download button there. Download it. All right. So now let's get started. I already have my own. I'll go to Tamios and I will click on new host. When after you're done downloading it, you would have to install it, and then enter your details. So I'm going to copy the new IP they gave me, which is this one, from the other detail they sent to me. I'll copy it, and then I'll go to the terminals and I'll put it. Okay. So here I'll put the label. Maybe I'll call it new host. New host. You can call your own anything you want. All right. So username, I'm going to call it like root, and then the password is going to be the password I set when I was trying to purchase it. So here is my own. So these are the detail I have, and I will connect. So yours is not going to show this. I resetted mine because of the tutorial. So you just had to keep on with it. So when you log in, this is the dashboard that you're going to get. So we'll copy this command. I will leave everything in this video tutorial so you can use. I'll copy this command. I'll go to Coolify, then find their installation. Okay, I'll copy this command here and then go to terminus and then paste the command. This command is one time install, so you do not have to do it like two times. Click on it and then let it do a thing. So you are going to wait for some time for it to install. Okay, Coolify is done installing. So here is another thing we're going to do. So the reason why I have to do like this is because I looked for this on my keyboard, I couldn't find it. So I just had to put in how to make SMTP this. And I will show you how to, purchase a VPN and set up SMTP to send bulk email. There are three ways to the next step, but I will